Looking for the best high-speed SSD that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best high-speed SSD that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Samsung SSD. The Samsung 990 Pro Gen4 SSD is a top-tier storage solution that delivers exceptional speed, efficiency, and reliability for demanding users. With blazing fast read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 6,900 megabytes per second, it unlocks the full potential of PCIe 4.0, drastically reducing boot times, game loading, and file transfers. Compared to its predecessor, it offers over 55% better random performance, making multitasking, 4K per 8K video editing, content creation, and intensive data processing noticeably smoother. Available in capacities from 1 terabyte to 4 terabytes, it provides ample room for large game libraries and professional workloads. Its improved power efficiency ensures lower heat generation while delivering up to 50% better performance per watt, making it an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking premium speed, long-term reliability, and outstanding overall system responsiveness. Next up is SanDisk SSD. The W_Black SN850X NVMe SSD is a premium PCIe 4.0 drive engineered for gamers and power users who demand uncompromising speed and responsiveness. Delivering sequential read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes per second, it dramatically reduces game load times, accelerates application launches, and enhances productivity in demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Available in capacities up to 8 terabytes with reliable SanDisk TLC 3D NAND, it provides abundant storage for massive game libraries and professional projects. The optional integrated heatsink helps maintain peak performance during extended gaming sessions by effectively managing temperatures. Through the W_Black dashboard, users can monitor drive health, customize RGB lighting, and enable Game Mode 2.0 for optimized gaming performance. Advanced technologies such as predictive loading, overhead balancing, and adaptive thermal management further improve efficiency and stability. Combining exceptional speed, intelligent features, and dependable endurance, the SN850X stands out as one of the best high-performance SSDs for modern gaming PCs and workstations. Coming in at number 3 is KingSpec SSD. The KingSpec NVMe Gen4 SSD delivers an impressive balance of speed, endurance, and thermal efficiency, making it an excellent upgrade for gamers, creators, and professionals. With blazing read and write speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes per second and 6,600 megabytes per second, it significantly reduces game loading times, accelerates 4K video editing, and handles large file transfers with ease. Its advanced graphene cooling technology helps prevent thermal throttling, maintaining consistently high performance during demanding workloads such as AAA gaming, 3D rendering, and content creation. Built with premium TLC 3D NAND, the drive offers superior durability, up to 200 TBW endurance, and faster random write performance than PCIe Gen3 SSDs, making it ideal for intensive daily use. Broad compatibility with PCIe 3.0 and 4.0 systems, including PS5, desktops, and laptops, ensures flexible installation. Backed by rigorous quality testing, the KingSpec SSD provides reliable, high-performance storage for users seeking long-lasting speed and stability. Now number 4, Acer SSD. The Predator GM7 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD is a high-performance storage solution built for gamers, content creators, and power users who demand exceptional speed and reliability. Delivering sequential read speeds of up to 7,400 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 6,500 megabytes per second, it significantly reduces game load times, accelerates large file transfers, and improves overall system responsiveness. Its advanced HMB, host memory buffer, and SLC caching technologies enhance random performance for smoother multitasking and faster application launches. Powered by a modern PCIe 4.0 controller and premium NAND flash, the GM7 achieves outstanding performance while maintaining lower power consumption and reduced heat output. Intelligent thermal throttling and power management ensures stable operation even during intensive workloads such as gaming, video editing, and content creation. Additionally, BioWin Intelligence software provides valuable tools for drive monitoring, cloning, migration, and performance testing, making the Predator GM7 a dependable and feature-rich SSD for demanding computing environments. And finally, our last pick is BioWin SSD. The BioWin NV7400 PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD is a premium storage upgrade that combines exceptional speed, efficiency, and reliability for gamers, professionals, and content creators. Delivering sequential read speeds of up to 7,450 megabytes per second and write speeds of 6,500 megabytes per second, along with up to 1,000 KIOPS. It provides lightning-fast boot times, rapid application launches, and seamless handling of large files and demanding workloads. Built with high-quality 3D TLC NAND and the PCIe Gen 4x4 interface, it offers outstanding performance with capacities up to 4 terabytes for extensive storage needs. Its advanced PMIC power management and graphene aluminum heatsink improve energy efficiency while keeping temperatures under control for consistent high-speed operation. HMB technology, smart cache, and zip data compression further enhance stability, responsiveness, and storage optimization under heavy workloads. Combined with the BioWin Intelligence software for drive monitoring, migration, firmware updates, and performance testing, the NV7400 is a powerful, dependable SSD for modern high-performance PCs. So those were the top 5 best high-speed SSD you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.